Hello beauties, so today I'm doing a festive makeup which you can do it on Diwali, you can do it on other festivals. So first of all I'm applying this facial oil. I wanted to get properly absorbed in my skin. Till then I'll be doing my eye makeup. So for eye, I am starting with concealing my eyelids. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium. I'm creating the base on my eyelids, and after that I'll be adding colors to it. Now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this particular shade on my crease. Now I'm taking another eyeshadow palette and I'll be using this shade. Blending both the colors together. As I'm doing this makeup for festival, so I'll be applying a darker shade on my eyes and I'll be making a very nice smoky eye look. I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to mix it with this shade. Now taking my Maybelline gel eyeliner, I'll be applying it on my lid. I'll be taking this dark brown shimmery shade. I'm going to apply this shade on my lower lash. Now I'm taking this shade, kajal on my waterline. A little amount of this shade and I'll be smudging and I'll be blending it with black. Now I'm finishing the look with this mascara. Now I'm going to start with my face makeup, and firstly I'll be applying this primer. So always apply moisturizer first and then you can apply this primer. So for the redness or the pimple marks, I'm going to apply green corrector. So for foundation, I'll be using this Max Factor X foundation. I'm going to take 2 pumps on my hand. 1, 2. Never ever forget to apply foundation on your neck. It's the time for concealing my under eyes, and for that I'll be applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I want my under eyes to look really bright, and I want to highlight these areas too. I want my contouring to look sharp, and for that now I'm going to set my whole face with this banana powder because I want my face to look really bright. I'm going to specially set my under eyes and now my whole face. I'm doing this step because I don't want my foundation to move. So for contouring, I'm going to take the same palette and I'm going to take this shade. For blush, I'm going to take this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. Now for highlighter, you know it's my favorite highlighter palette, so I'm going to apply these shades. For lipstick, I'm taking this Wet n Wild lipstick and Give Me Mocha. I'm going to top up with red. Now it's time for jewelry. Happy Diwali to all of you! If you like my makeup look, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye!